Hi, this is TSG Multimedia's Dan Cortopassi, and today I'm reviewing a tailgate with SP Gyrolite marker and LED from Owl Mountain Models. This is an HO scale product. This kit has an MSRP of $9.95. The kit consists of a plastic piece with 2 gates and 2 gyrolites. It also comes with 2 red LEDs and 2 resistors. So you could either use both gates on one car, or you could equip 2 different cars with 1 light on one end each. So because I'm putting these in a heavyweight car, I painted the gates green. I'm going to use sprue cutters to remove them from the plastic tree because the part is delicate. I'm using a branch line heavyweight Pullman for this project. I've taken the diaphragm off just to make it a little easier to see what I'm doing. The gate doesn't quite fit in the opening, so I'm going to have to find another way to mount it. I can't just glue it inside the door. I've taken a couple pieces of 020 styrene and glued them on either side of the gate. Now I can glue this whole thing in behind the vestibule. I've bent the leads back on the LED. Now I'll just slip it into the square opening in the light housing. This little square part on the gate has one side that's indented and one side that's flat. The side with the indent is where the LED sits. This is the completed gate assembly. I've soldered some 36 gauge magnet wire to the leads that I shortened. I soldered the green one to the positive and red to negative. So once I get this thing positioned, I can glue it inside the vestibule like this. So now I have the gate glued into the vestibule. I have this car set up to pick up electricity, so now I need to wire it up so the light will work. So I used the kit supplied resistor and connected that to one of the leads from my TCS FL4 fleet lighter decoder that I've installed in the car at this end. I also installed the other half of the lighting kit in the other vestibule, and I'm using one of the other function wires to power that. Alright, I've put the diaphragm back on the car and put it all back together, and this is what it looks like with the light on. It produces a prototypically correct Southern Pacific gyrolite that may also be applicable for other railroads. Overall, I really like the kit. The one thing I would like to see improved is the instructions on how to mount the gate inside the doorway. Now, I realize that there are other brands of cars. This is a branch line car. Walther's cars or Bachmann cars might be different. But still, I think the instructions could be a little better when it comes down to actually mounting the gate, because as you saw, I had to modify mine to make it work for this car. So I'm going to take off one spike for the instructions not being clear enough on that point. My final verdict is 9 out of 10 spikes. If you or your company make a product that you'd like us to review, please drop us a line at reviews@tsgmultimedia.com.